if you are someone who has frizzy, unmanageable hair just like I do, then you know exactly how that feels. Hi everyone, this is me Nidha Kaul, and in today's YouTube video I am not going to be talking about my skin, but I am going to be talking about my hair, which I recently got cut and colored, and ever since I've gotten this blonde color done, I've been experiencing a lot of frizz, a lot of split ends and a lot of dryness. And that is why I've been on the lookout for one product that could really help solve all these issues, and I finally have found one, and I can't wait to share this product with you all. So if you guys are interested in knowing what this product is, how I use it and how it has helped transform my hair, then continue watching. So the product that has literally transformed my hair game is this. This is the Biolage Smooth Proof, which is a professional deep smoothening 6-in-1 serum. Now, why is it a 6-in-1 serum? Is because it has so many benefits, some of which are that it helps protect your hair from humidity, it helps your split ends, it helps dryness, it helps in adding shine to your hair, it detangles your hair, and it also helps your rough ends. So, I mean, all in all, this is a miracle product that is being used and loved by salons, by professionals over the years. And it's so surprising that I did not know that this product existed, and I recently incorporated it into my hair care regime, and oh my god, you guys, like I can't even tell you what my original texture looks like and what this is. I'm actually going to insert a before and then an after of how my hair looks like before and after using the serum, and you guys can tell the difference is huge because I have super duper wavy, super duper dry hair, and that gets really frizzy say 15 to 20 minutes after washing. So I have a proper regime that I follow in which I have incorporated the serum not just once but twice. Yes, you heard that right. I actually use the serum twice into my hair care regime. Now, to understand why a product works, we need to understand the ingredients that it is made of, and whenever I'm investing in skincare or hair care, I always make sure that I actually give a nice read to what the ingredients of that particular serum are. Now, the Biolage Smooth Proof is enriched with avocado oil and grapeseed oil. They add so much shine to your hair. Like when you are suggested to go for hair oiling, the number one oil that any hair artist or hair care personnel would recommend to you would be avocado oil. And while doing all this, it's not just helping your hair look good from outside, it's also nourishing it from within, which is what I absolutely love about this serum. And I think that is what has happened, you know, because I've not just seen a reduction in the frizz and in the roughness of my hair, but I've also seen an improvement in the texture, and the improvement can only happen if the ingredients are right and are working well for your hair. So definitely consider that before investing into any hair care item. Now, I have seen so many different uses for the serum that it makes it so worth the money, because I feel like instead of investing in 3 to 4 different hairstyling products, why don't you invest in just 1 or 2 which actually can be used in different ways. So let me explain you how I apply and use this product in different ways. So firstly, I use this product right after my shower just to detangle my hair, because after you're done with your shower, your hair gets all messed up. So just before I comb the hair, I like to use a few drops just to make sure that my hair can sort of detangle itself much easily, and that's why there is no breakage or minimum amount of breakage. So the second way in which I like to use this serum is as a heat protectant. Now again, a big part of why your hair ends up looking frizzy, wavy, unmanageable, you know, and has a lot of split ends is also because of the heat styling products that you use. The way I do it is I take a few drops on my palm, I like to rub it all across my palms, and then I nicely massage it into my hair from the roots to the tips. I of course leave out my scalp because I don't want my scalp to get like oily or anything. So I like to apply it all throughout the length of my hair, and then I go in with my blow dryer and my straightener just to make sure that my hair ends up looking really nice, shiny and manageable. The third way in which I like to use this serum is as a finishing or a styling product. So right after I'm done with my heat styling, I like to take a few more drops and just rub it gently across my hair. Now this is not the time for you to rub it very vigorously. This is the time where you just pat it very slightly all across the length of your hair, just to give it that finishing touch and just to make sure that the baby hair and the frizz that is on the top layer of your hair sort of settles and you get that nice finished styled look. Now the fun part about this product is that there are more ways of using it, which is just amazing. It's worth the investment. Whatever money you're spending on it, you're making so much good use of it. I also love to use it when I'm traveling, because I feel like while I'm traveling my hair gets extraordinarily frizzy. Like it's just like this bird nest which is just out of control, and that is mostly because of humidity. And this product really helps fight that humidity and keeps the frizz in check. So I always carry it when I'm traveling. And one of the other things that I really love about this serum is that it's very non-greasy, it's non-oily, does not weigh my hair down, and that's why I love it. Because most of the serums that I've used in the past have really made my hair very limp and flat, and since I have extremely fine hair, I can't afford a product weighing my hair down, because then my face ends up looking really big, and that is just like really bad for my shoot. Since this is the profession that I'm in, my hair needs to look on point at all times, and that's why I feel like this product is revolutionary and has been a favorite for salons and hairdressers over the last 10 years. And guys, the results are for you all to see. I can't stop touching my hair. It's just become an obsession ever since I've incorporated the Biolage Smooth Proof serum into my hair care regime. And I just absolutely love the fact that they also have a shampoo and conditioner that you can sort of supplement this entire routine with. And it always makes more sense to have the same range, because there is always a science and a logic and some active ingredients that go behind a particular product. So if, let's say, the serum has grapeseed and avocado oil, the shampoo and the conditioner also will have ingredients which complement that. And that's why I think what has helped me even more in improving my hair game has been the fact that I've incorporated the shampoo and the conditioner also into my entire hair routine, which I feel like has been such a blessing. I mean, I have been if I can say the word, pareshan with my frizz for the last so many years, and I've been trying so many different products to sort of fix it. I've tried umpteen amount of serums both from India and abroad, and I don't know how I absolutely missed this one serum which has been a salon favorite. And it was actually my hairdresser at the salon who recommended this to me, and I just tried a little bit on that particular day, and my hair was frizz free for the next 48 hours. And I was just like, I called him up and I was like, can you please tell me the full name, because I'm going to buy like 2 to 3 bottles of this at the same time. So yeah, I think it's just a journey of discovering and finding out what works best for you. And if you guys like the serum, I would also recommend you try the shampoo and the conditioner in conjunction, just to make sure that you get the best results possible. Also guys, I have to talk about the price point of this amazing super product. Now this retails at rupees 300 only, and this is the 100 ml size, and this lasts me forever. Like, I mean, literally a little goes a long way, and it's super duper portable. It's like easy to carry, it fits into all my bags, so even when I'm traveling I can just like slip this into any makeup pouch or any bag and I'll be good to go. Also, another thing that I have to mention is how amazing its fragrance is. It just feels divine every time I apply it on my hair, and it's so lightweight that it never weighs my hair down. So all in all, I feel like it's well worth the money. So definitely consider this while you're making your next hair serum purchase. I will leave the link down below so you guys can go shop for this product. Also guys, let me quickly tell you the prices of the shampoo and the conditioner as well. Now the shampoo retails at rupees 400 and the conditioner retails at rupees 335, which again I feel like are really worth the money, considering how great the quantities of even both these products are. So I think all in all, as a package, if you purchase all three, it's just way worth the money, because it's going to last you forever and it's going to show you the results that you're looking for. Alright guys, I hope this was useful. I really wanted to come here and talk about hair, because I usually always am talking about makeup, about skincare, and that was honestly because I hadn't discovered something worthy enough for me to come and make an entire dedicated YouTube video over it. So I finally found that one product, and I really hope that you guys give it a try, especially all the girls who suffer with frizzy, unmanageable, rough hair just like me. I think this is going to be a big game changer, so definitely give it a go and let me know how you felt after trying the product in the comment section down below. Let me also know if you would like me to review any other hair care products or anything that you guys have tried in the past that has worked really well. I would be happy to give it a go as well. And definitely give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. Hit that subscribe button guys, it's very important you subscribe to my channel, and do share the video with others who might be having frizzy, unmanageable hair like me. And I hope you guys found this useful. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you all next time. Bye.